Hello WABAM U. Today we're going to talk about WABAM Fresh, our air freshener. So this is just a fun product that we came out with where we can throw it in the interior of the vehicles, freshen up that smell a little bit, gives you a nice aroma for a few days. You know, nothing crazy. It's just a beautiful product. Steve, I was doing a little product video for WABAM. What are you doing?
Oh, sorry, I just had to use the bathroom.
Oh man, I can tell. Well, did I mention you can use Fresh in the bathroom too? Beautiful product with that. So we'll finish up here, but we have two beautiful scents. We have the Summer Night and we have the Ocean Waves. So either one of these, great to add to your detail arsenal. WABAM Fresh.